Hello guys, today we're making crinkle cookies and we're gonna make it with fish
Wow.
and heart.
Wow. So these are the shapes that she's gonna make today. Now, what are the ingredients for the cream cheese crinkles?
We need 2 cups of flour.
Very good.
And we need 1 cup of sugar.
Okay.
And 1 egg.
What
and
else?
We need salt.
Yes, a little bit of salt.
And we need butter.
Okay, so we need like 5 pieces of butter. It's 1 tablespoon each, maybe like 1/4 cup of butter. And what else?
And we need also cheese.
Yes, this is cream cheese and we need lemon zest. So these are the ingredients. Now show me how to do it.
We're gonna put salt.
Okay. What else? What's next?
All.
Yes, please.
We can put
Yes, yes.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Now guys, we're gonna put all the ingredients in this bowl. So let us put this into the bowl. And then we're gonna put this butter.
It's not butter, it's cream cheese.
Yeah, it's cream cheese. Let us put it.
It's okay.
It's broke.
Yeah, because it's very soft. It's okay.
Now this.
Now this first.
Egg.
Yes.
Oh, this is crinkle cake, and if you want to make something like this, you need to ask for a big piece of pie. But I'm already big.
Oh, yes. So we make it smooth. We mix it like this. Or we can
It's not
use...
smooth.
Yeah, so we will make it smooth right now, okay? Or we can use electric mixer. Or
Actually, I need big people.
Okay, now I'm gonna help you.
I'm scraping it.
And mixing it where?
Mixing
With the flour.
with the flour.
So our flour, it has 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. We're gonna mix it all.
Put it down.
Which one? Okay, I'll help you. And mix it there.
Now we're going to shape it like this. We're shaping it to make it as a star. This is a star, but we're going to make it a starfish.
Okay. And now, after we shaped it, we are going to dip this here because we are making lemon crinkles. Or look, mommy, like this. You dip it in sugar. Carefully pick up the cutouts. Alright.
Yes.
And don't press it so hard. Only like this. Yes. Wow. So the fish, let the fish swim.
This, I remember what is crinkle now.
What is crinkle now?
The black cookies.
Ah, yeah, the chocolate crinkles. You already also made that one. Well, now pick up the shapes and dip it in sugar. Carefully, huh? So, okay. It will stay as cute fish like so.
Now it's going in the ocean. Woo! It is a loop-a-loop.